We drag the colors right here. Perfect. Now we start creating our logo design. We select the pen tool. We place the first dot right here. We place the second right here. Then we click and drag to make a curvy line like this. We hold this dot again. We go way down right here. We click and drag to make a line like this. Perfect. Now again we click on the last dot. We click and drag right here to make a curvy line like this. Again we select the last dot and we reconnect the last one with the first one like this. Perfect. We swap the fill with stroke. Then we make it in black like this. We zoom in. And we need to adjust this shape with the curvature pen tool. We put a dot right here and we adjust its position to adjust the shape like this. Keep going like this until we get the result we want. As you saw in the start of the video, you can tell that we are making a bird design. Now we keep adjusting our design like this. We're almost there. Just bear with me for a second. Perfect. This is our bird design so far. Now we swap stroke with the fill and we make it in this color. The shape needs a little bit adjustment, so we select the curvature tool again and we adjust it like this. That's better. Perfect. Just a little bit. And here we are. Perfect. So this is our design so far. And we use the curvature tool to fix or adjust the shape in case we made a mistake or the shape was not in the way we wanted. Now we adjust the size of the shape like this. Even a little bit more, and we place it right here. Now we select the pen tool to draw the rest of our design. We place the first dot right here, the second one in here. We click and drag to make a curvy line. Again we select the last dot, then we draw another one like here. We click and drag to make curvy lines. We always go back like this. We click and drag. Perfect. And as I said, we always go back to the first dot and reconnect the last one with the first one. Now we need to adjust this shape as well, so we use the curvature tool and we start adjusting our shape like this. We need to adjust the space between the two shapes, between the head and the body of the bird. Perfect. We change the color of the bird body like this to the golden. And now we're gonna start drawing the wings. We use the pen tool to draw the wings. We place the first dot right here, the second one in here. We click and drag to make the shape like this. I can't draw perfectly, so that's why I need to go back and reselect the last dot. Then I keep clicking and holding until I get the curvy line I want. Again, I go back to the last dot I selected, then I place the next one I keep holding until I drag like this to get a curvy line. Again, I go back, I go here, I click and drag like this to get a curvy line. Then we reconnect the last dot with the first one like this. Perfect. And here we are, we have here the head, the body, and the wings. We zoom in and we select the curvature tool to adjust the wings like this. Just slight adjustments. And as I said before, you use the curvature tool to adjust any shape you want. Now that said, the wings are perfect. Sorry, I need to go back. That's perfect now. I select the whole shape, then I hold the shift button and I adjust the shape size like this. Now we select the rectangle tool and we select the ellipse tool to draw a circle while holding the shift button to make sure that the circle is symmetrical. Perfect. Now we swap the fill with the stroke and we make it in 10 points like this. I put it right here. I adjust the size of the circle again, as I said, while holding the shift button to make sure that the circle stays symmetrical. I need to zoom in so that I can work properly. I even adjust the size of the stroke like this to 16 points. Perfect. And now I'm gonna need to crop the circle with the scissors tool. I select this part right here. Then I click delete from the keyboard and here we are, we just crop this part. We put the first dot right here. Then we go all the way here, place the second dot, click delete from the keyboard and it will be deleted like this. And here we are, this is our design so far. It's almost ready. Actually, the design is ready. We're just gonna put the text and the slogan. We can trim the edges like this. We go here to properties, stroke, and we make the caps like this. As you see, the edges are becoming rounded. As you see, you can see the difference between the top one and the lower one. Now again, we select the shape, we go to properties, stroke, and we click here to make its edges rounded. And here we are, this is the final look of our logo design. As I said, we only need to add the text. And as I say in every video, the text or the slogan depends on what you are doing. Your project, either you're designing it for yourself, for another person, or even for another company. Now we adjust the size and the font from here. You can select any font you want, and any size and any color, of course. Now we put it right here, and we're gonna make it in this color, peach black. And here we are, this is the final look of our fourth design in this course. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to work on our next design.